Hey there, I'm Chris from FourVision, and I'll be taking you through the most important changes coming to our HR solutions in the winter release of 2024. So let's start with the cross-app changes. First off, we added a variety of new languages across all apps. These include Dutch, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Polish, Czech, Danish, Norwegian, and Swedish. Next up, the boarding app. Flexible tabs for boarding guides. When editing your guide tabs, you can now quickly rearrange the tabs in whatever order you like, smoothing over the editing process to save your time for other activities. Next is 3 additions to HR request. First, new filter options for tasks. We've introduced new filter options for tasks in HR request. Now you can quickly filter between request numbers, request types, and the workers related to each request, making it easier to find the request you're looking for. Increased clarity for request attachments. Request forms and applicant details will now show the attachments that were uploaded and transferred to document management, making it easier to check documents attached to individual applicants or requests in HR request. More field records for forms. Your field options in HR request forms have increased. We now support multiple contact persons in addition to bank details fields and multiple address records. Alright, next is performance management. Email notifications for feedback. We added a new email template tool to notify colleagues when they receive feedback. Use these personalized email notifications for quicker responses and increased engagement during your feedback cycles. Moving on to merit increase. Import-export functionality for reward cycles. You can now import your calculations for bonuses and rewards in your reward cycles using our new export-import functionality, allowing you to run your calculations in whatever tool best fits your process. Then we have the Payroll Interface app. More flexible data conversions. You can now choose to add multiple value conversions to Payroll Interface. This gives you the option to change existing values to a new value, such as changing specific abbreviations from 3 characters to 2. This increased flexibility will make it easier to interface between your HR and payroll systems. Finally, we have a couple of updates to resource planning, which is now available in Timesheets and Expenses. We've made a series of improvements to the user experience of resource planning. First, a new search option in the project tasks screen. Second, a checkbox on the planning screen to include workers that recently left your organization. And third, improved responsiveness for the weeks displayed on the planning screen. Well, that's it for the new changes. If you're looking for more details regarding all the new possibilities, please check out the release notes in our app's Help Center. To close out the update, I can already share 2 things coming in spring this year. First off, performance management is gonna get enhanced questionnaire report functionality. And for Payroll Interface, we're planning to add advanced filter options in the payroll configuration. And that's it! See you in spring for the next release update.